Have you ever looked at a flat map and wondered about the landforms it represents? Understanding landscapes is key for mastering geography. In this video, we will simplify cartographic relief representation techniques. You'll learn how to visualize three-dimensional landforms from two-dimensional maps. Maps can feel overwhelming, filled with lines and symbols. But today, we'll break that down. With modern techniques, we can transform those flat maps into vibrant mental images of hills, valleys, and mountains. This is crucial for students aiming to excel in geography. First, let's talk about contour lines. These lines connect points of equal elevation. When you see them closely spaced, think steep terrain. When they're spaced wide apart, it indicates flat land. Recognizing these patterns is your first step. Next, shaded relief enhances our understanding. It uses light and shadow to show surface forms. Imagine sunlight hitting a mountain. The side facing the sun appears bright, while the shadowed side looks darker. This technique adds depth and realism to a map. Now, let's look at combining these techniques. Contour lines and shaded relief work together. This combination allows you to visualize landforms as they appear in reality. It's like turning a flat puzzle into a stunning three-dimensional picture. For example, consider a hilly region. The contour map might show tightly spaced lines, indicating steep hills. When shaded relief is added, you can see how those hills rise and fall. This mental model helps in understanding physical geography better. Using these techniques, we can decode various landforms. Mountain ranges, valleys, plateaus, and plains all have unique representations. Recognizing their characteristics is essential for exams and real-life applications. In summary, modern cartographic techniques bridge the gap between abstract maps and our understanding. Contour lines show elevation changes, while shaded relief adds depth. Together, they help create vivid mental images of landscapes. So, if you want to master geography, start practicing these techniques. Grab a map and identify the landforms using what you've learned today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Dive deeper into the world of geography with us.